Good day, students. Now, before we start our lesson today, please turn on your cameras for your attendance. Class monitor, is there any absent today? Please do check. Before we proceed to our new lesson, I want you to read our classroom policies or rules to make us guided for today. Alright, let's begin our lesson for today. And to start our lesson, we will be having a pretest. This pretest will tell you how much you know about our topic. So the instructions is write sigma if the statement is correct and skibbity if it's wrong. Sentences are flashed on the screen. Write your answers in a 1/2 sheet of paper. Get ready, dear students. You will be given 3 minutes to do the activity. Number 1, demonstrative pronouns are identical to the demonstrative determiners. Sigma or skibbity. Number 2, a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun, meaning that it stands alone as a subject or object of the sentence. Sigma or skibbity. Number 3, a demonstrative determiner modifies a noun, meaning that it appears before the noun, telling you something about it. Is it sigma or skibbity? Number 4, demonstrative or may not be indirect. Who got a perfect score? Amazing! It seems that you already have an idea about the topic that we are going to discuss today. And now we are supposed to have the activity named bowling demonstration, and now we will be doing the bowling demonstration. And since we're not on face-to-face, this activity includes a ball, standing in a circle randomly, and toss the ball to the students and have them to say a sentence with at least one demonstrative pronoun in it. But now, the thing that we are going to do is make a ball, then write. And now we will move on to our discussion since we can't do the activity bowling demonstration. And today, our topic is about demonstrative pronouns. Can anyone give me their own definition of it? That is correct. But before that, what is a pronoun? It is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. It is a very useful part of speech because pronouns are used to avoid having the same nouns being used repeatedly in a paragraph. The noun that a pronoun replaces is called antecedent. There are different types of pronoun. Each pronoun is used to replace different kinds of nouns. Incorrect usage of the appropriate pronoun can result in confusion and bad grammar. Now, we will tackle one of the types of pronouns, which is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun refers to a specific noun within a sentence. This type of pronoun generally appears at the beginning of a sentence, with its antecedent appearing later, either in the same sentence or in the previous one. Proximity and time and space always plays an important factor in the usage of demonstrative pronouns. And now I will give you an example. So example number 1 is Brian Welch is a great guitarist. He is a member of the metal band Korn. He is used as a pronoun to replace the noun Brian Welch because it is singular in number. It was in the third person because Brian Welch was the one being talked about. It was masculine noun and it was the subject of the sentence. And now is example number 2. Doja's classmates decided to give her a surprise birthday party. They decorated her room with yellow balloons and stuffed toys and waited for her to arrive. Notice that her is used to replace Doja because she is a singular in number, feminine in gender, and she receives the action given. On the other hand, the pronoun they are used to replace the noun Tessa's classmates, since they are used as plural number, neuter in gender, and the doer of the action, decorated. Now refer to the chart below to see the example of personal pronouns. In first person, we have the singular subjective pronouns I and the singular objective pronouns me. And then the possessive pronouns in singular is my and mine. Now the plural subjective pronoun is we, the plural objective pronoun is us, and plural possessive pronouns is our and ours. Now in second person, singular subjective pronouns is you, and the plural subjective pronoun is you. Singular objective pronoun is you, and plural objective pronoun is you again. Singular possessive pronouns are your, yours. Plural possessive pronouns is your and yours. And now in third person, singular subjective pronouns is he, she, and it. In plural subjective pronouns, we use they. In singular objective pronouns, we use him, her, and it. On plural objective pronouns, we use them. On singular possessive pronouns, we use his, her, hers, and its. In plural possessive pronouns, we use their and theirs. And now I will give an example of the first person view. In subjective pronoun, we have singular. I found the ball. In the objective pronoun is me. Cats don't like me. In possessive pronoun, we have my. My fish loves to make bubbles. Moving on to the plural. The plural subjective pronoun is we. We talk to our neighbors. The plural objective pronoun is us. He talks to us. In possessive plural pronoun is our. Our school is huge. Moving on to the example of second person. The singular of subjective pronoun is you. You are a diligent student. The singular objective pronoun is you again. You have a book. And the possessive pronoun is your. Wash your hands. Moving on to the plural, subjective pronouns is you. My auntie sent you an email. The objective pronoun in plural form is you. Do you have a candy? The possessive pronoun in plural form is yours. That drink is yours. And the last one is third person. Subjective pronouns in singular form is he. He has a pet mouse. An objective pronoun in singular form is her. Her dog smells like barf. In singular possessive pronoun is his. His hands are soft. In plural form, subjective pronoun is they. They have a mansion. In objective pronoun, them. I have fun with them. In possessive pronouns is their. Their car is rare. After knowing all the examples of the plural and singular forms, we will move on to our practicing skill number 2, which is the activity choose and fit. But since we can't do this activity by group, we will have to do this individually. So the task is about filling in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun inside the parentheses, then answer the question given below. Number 1. People love visiting Rizal Monument. In your IEL pan, did you learn the history behind Rizal's monument? Who is Rizal? Number 2. Albert Einstein took out ideas and made prove it as his theories. In your science subject, have you learned about Albert Einstein? What are some of his concepts? On the last number, Barong Tagalog is very classy. What is Barong Tagalog? Are you done, class? If you are done, please submit it to our G class. Now we will be moving into our next activity, which is make the bottom line. This is to check if you have really clearly understand our topic today. You will read the given sentences and underline the demonstrative pronoun in it. Number 1, this is my favorite book, which is the demonstrative pronoun. Number 2, those were the best days of our lives. Number 3, that sounds like a great idea. Number 4, these cookies are delicious. Number 5, look at that over there. Number 6, I can't believe these are on sale. Number 7, can you move this closer to me? Number 8, those look too ripe to eat. Number 9, these needs to be cleaned immediately. Number 10, can you see those from there? Number 11, this is the new model we've been waiting for. Number 12, these are the instructions I was telling you about. Number 13, that was the last one in stock. Number 14, I haven't seen anything like this before. Number 15, those were his exact words. Answer this activity in 3 minutes. And now we are done with all of the activities and the lessons. We will now moving on to the practical application. With all the series of activities and discussion, what realization did you make? How is knowing the demonstrative pronoun important to us? Support your answer. As a student, in what situation do you use demonstrative pronoun? Prove your answer. Do this in a 1/2 sheet crosswise paper for 3 minutes. Are you done, students? Amazing. Very well, and thank you. And now we will have another activity called Hope It's Full. This will help us to summarize the lessons that we had. Are you ready, class? Let's begin. Do you have any questions? Did you understand our lesson for today? If yes, thank you so much. After all of the activities, we will be having an evaluation, and it is called by twos. This activity is written in a 1/2 crosswise. You are going to construct 2 short sentences with demonstrative pronouns and underline it. This activity is good for 3 minutes, and please pass your papers if we have face-to-face classes. Are you done? Okay, let's check your work. Is everyone done yet? If yes, thank you so much for participating in our class today. And this is your take-home assignment. Write 5 paragraphs using demonstrative pronoun. And let's call it a day. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and thank you, class.